This is a Java program explained in just over a minute. I start by defining the package, since Eclipse usually generates this automatically, and then I create the product class by declaring its attributes like name, price, and stock, adding a constructor to initialize them, and including getters along with a method to reduce stock. After that, I move on to the customer class where I define the name and email, create its constructor, and add the getters, and once I finish both product, customer, and order, I go back to the customer class and add a new method that returns a formatted string with the customer's information using a return statement. Then I continue with the order class. Importing array list, defining attributes for the customer, product list and total, and implementing methods to add products, calculate totals with tax and print a summary. Once all classes are ready, I create main.java, where I instantiate a customer with the name John Doe and email, create products like a laptop and a mouse, create an order linked to that customer, add the products to the order, print the summary, and calculate the total with tax. Finally, I compile and run the program, and the output shows customer, purchase products, total before tax, and I close by saying thanks for watching the video.